Hi, welcome to Maptive. In this tutorial, we're going to talk about how to add a map marker to your map from your map. On the right-hand side, we have a button called Add Marker. Looks like a little marker with a plus in it. Clicking this will allow you to either input the address information. Clicking here is going to actually show us every column header in my data. Your column headers will likely be different. And you can fill in your address, city, state, zip code, or whatever piece of that information that you have. So if you just have city, state, zip code, just put that in. If you're not working with addresses, you're not going to have an address column anyway, but this is what I've got in my data, so I can fill in as much as I need. The other option here is manually placing a marker on the map. Clicking this will give you this little guy, and you can just drop that wherever you'd like, and it will add a map marker straight to that location. And that's how you add a map marker to your map from your map. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching. Bye.